You're joking, aren't you? It's the Teesside Chef. Butter cake, baking man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. All right. So let's start with 15 grams of baking powder in here, and we'll add 225 grams of all-purpose flour to that, and a good pinch of salt, and 75 grams of cornstarch is going to make this cake lighter than my wallet. And we'll put that to one side, but don't stir it, and we'll get another bowl and put 200 grams of caster sugar in it with 200 grams of softened butter, and then we want to cream these two together until they're all light and fluffy, but start slowly, yeah, otherwise you'll end up with it all over your kitchen walls. And we've got our dry ingredients back in there now, and here comes the first of our 4 eggs. And we'll add a tablespoon of our dry ingredients here every time, just to stop it from splitting and give it a good mix up. And then repeat the process with each egg. And every time give it a good whisk up to fully incorporate. And because we didn't stir our dry ingredients at the start, there's no baking powder going in here now, which is absolutely tickety-boo. But if you were looking forward to stirring your dry ingredients, don't worry, you can do that now. And here's 250 millilitres of milk, look, for all you milk fans. And we're putting half of that in with half of our dry ingredients and giving it a good stir. Then tip the rest of your dry ingredients in there, and you can either go in with vanilla or lemon juice like I'm doing here. And once the rest of our milk's in and we've given it a good stir, we're almost done. So let's tip this mix into a lined and buttered cake pan and get it in the oven at 160 degrees fan for between 40 and 45 minutes. And when it's done, it'll spring back when pressed on top, and a toothpick insert will come out clean as a cat's whisker. And once it's cooled in the pan for 10 minutes, rip its claws off and you are done. Hey, now you can make a butter cake, so go and do it, otherwise what was the point in watching this video? See yous all after, Ta-ra.